If you are looking to start creating content and you don't want to show your face, but you wish to create hyper realistic videos like me without paying money, all for free, or you wish to create 3D animated videos like me too, then worry no more, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that with just a few simple steps. So if you are interested, come, let me show you. So guys, you're going to head on to ChatGPT to generate your prompt, your image using your prompt. So here I already have my prompt, which is this, though there are some little errors, but I'm going to be editing this prompt before I drop it in the description of this video. So if you want to use my prompt, simply go to the description of this video and copy the prompt. So this is my prompt here. Generate a hyper-realistic image of a beautiful Nigerian toddler girl and all of that. So here is my prompt, and make sure to include that you want the exact ratio that you want your image to look like. So here is my prompt, and I told ChatGPT to generate this prompt for me, and ChatGPT gave me this beautiful image right here. So this is the image ChatGPT gave me, but it is not the same ratio with YouTube. So I told ChatGPT to, give me a YouTube format size, and ChatGPT generated this very one here for me, which is very perfect. So this is my first image, which is the toddler. Having generated this prompt, I'm going to go ahead to generate the second prompt, which is the 3D animation. Okay, so this is the first prompt. I'm going to generate the 3D animation already. I have that prompt ready as well. I'm just going to paste it here. So this is the prompt. This is the prompt. A 3D animated digital illustration depicts a young African woman with expressive eyes, full curly hair, and a cheerful smile. Now, I included that I want the shirt to have the name of my channel. You are going to give ChatGPT, it's very important to give ChatGPT a detailed description of what you want. When you give ChatGPT a detailed description, the more detailed you are, the better result you will get. So I'm also going to drop this second prompt in the description of this video, because I'm creating two images, one a 3D image and one a realistic African child. Okay, so I'm just going to send this and then wait for ChatGPT to generate this prompt for me. Okay, so I'm going to wait. Let's just give ChatGPT some time. So it says lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We'll notify you when your image is ready. Yeah, all well and good. So we're just going to wait a little while for ChatGPT to generate that image for us. So while we are waiting, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload new video. So you can see that ChatGPT has generated our image. This is very good, very perfect. ChatGPT has generated our image for us. Okay, so when you have your image, you're just going to save. I'm going to save this image. And I'm going to save this image as well. Okay, so we have saved our image. Now we have our images ready. So the next thing we're going to do is to head over to the app that we're going to use to generate our video. To generate our image, you can either go to hedra.com, you can go to your browser and type hedra.com. It's either you go through your browser or you can download the app on your phone. This is the app. I already have the app on my phone, so I'm just going to go ahead and open the app. So now this is the interface of the app. The next thing you're going to do is to sign up. You're going to register into the account. So you can register, you can sign up with an email, or you can sign in with Google. If you have a Google account, you can go ahead and sign in with your Google account. So now I've signed up with my Google account, and then when that is done, you're going to come to this three lines here. Then we're going to generate. You come to, and then you're going to click on video. Click on video. So here we are. Now we're going to upload our image. So you're going to click on this part where is written character to upload your image. So here you can see it says you can ask it to create an image for you. You can capture an image using your camera, or you can upload an image directly from your gallery. But for this video, I'm going to be uploading my image from my gallery because I already used ChatGPT to generate my image. So I'm just going to click on upload image. So here, when you click on that, it's going to bring you here. So you need to give consent. When you give your consent, then it will allow you to upload image from your gallery. So I'm going to click on consent. So here we are, my image has been uploaded. Now when that is done, you're going to come over to this place to input your audio. So here you can either generate a speech, you can record any audio of your choice, or you can upload any audio that you have already recorded. If you have recorded an audio, here you can upload the audio. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be recording my audio. So I'm going to click record. So when you get here, you're just going to click on this red button right here, and it will start recording. When it starts recording, you're going to say whatever it is you want your video to say. Okay, so have you got value for this tutorial? If you have, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. So my audio has been recorded. So now I have an 18 seconds audio. So for you to listen to your video, to know if you are okay with it, you're just going to click here. You can click on this play here to listen to your audio. So let's do that. Have you got value for this tutorial? If you have, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. So now you see, I'm just going to adjust it a little and cut off the first part. So have you got value for this tutorial? So you can see, okay, so we are good to go. And then when that is done, we are going to add to video. We're going to click here to add it to your video. So if there's any background sound on the audio and you don't want it, you're just going to click here and remove the background sound. So let's just click it, and then we're going to add to video. So now you can see that we have our audio here and we have our image right here. So you can also choose the ratio you want. We are going with the 16:9. And then you can add a prompt here on how you want your image to act. So I'm just going to add something little. Say, okay, a little head and hand movement. Okay, so, and we are done here. So I'm just going to click here to generate our video. I'm going to click. So you allow it to load.
Hedra's character 3 is here.
So you allow it to load for a while. It's going to generate the image, but you're just going to give it a little bit of time. So while it's preparing the video. So our video is gradually generating. So this app, you have free credits to create your videos. Yes, you have free credits to create your video, though there's a premium subscription, but even if you're not subscribed, you can actually use your free credits to generate up to like 3 or 4 videos before it gets exhausted. And if you by chance exhaust your credits, you can as well switch emails so that you can have another 300 credits. So our video is ready. Here's our video, and I'm just going to play it. Have you got value for this tutorial? If you have, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. So now that our video is ready, you're just going to tap on the video, and then you're going to see 3 dots and download it. If you have, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification. Okay, so our video is downloading. You're just going to wait for it to download, and when that is done, we're going to generate our second video. Okay, so our video has fully downloaded. Now we're going to upload our second character. So I'm going to click upload image. So our second image has been uploaded here. So I'm also going to add, can just write add gestures and body movement. Okay, so we are going to again include our audio. So I'm also going to record another audio right here. Click on record. So here I'm going to click on the record button. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Are you going to be trying this out? If you are, don't forget to tell us your experience in the comment section. So until I see you again in my next video, it's bye for now. Goodbye. And then you end the recording. Okay. So here we are. We have our audio recorded. So the next thing, you're going to come over to this point, add to video. So now our audio is here. Then we already have our add gestures and body movements. So I'm just going to click on generate, and then we'll wait for it to generate. So here our video is ready, and then I'm just going to go ahead and download the video. Click on download. So now our video has been completely downloaded. Please guys, watch to the end of this video to see the magic that we created. Have you got value for this tutorial? If you have, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Are you going to be trying this out? If you are, don't forget to tell us your experience in the comment section. So until I see you again in my next video, it's bye for now. Goodbye.